DJI Osmo Action, the review, part 2. If you saw part 1, trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Sit back, relax. Roll intro. Welcome to take 2 of the Osmo Action review. Yeah, that's right. So, in the first review of the Osmo Action, the last place I tested it was at the beach, and voila, water damage. Yeah, that's right. I didn't even spend 10 minutes in the water, and the thing took in water, and yep. Right now I'm using Osmo Action number 2. After returning it to Amazon, I got a replacement. I was torn between getting a GoPro Hero 8 and the Osmo Action, and I chose the Osmo Action again because I like DJI. Call it stupid, but I really believe in DJI products and I like the quality, so the front-facing screen is a winner for me. So now today I'm with the family. Say hello.
Hello.
With the kids today, not the whole entire family. With the kids, 2 out of 3, and we're heading to the beach to try this again. Much better. It works! Yes, it does, it works. Yeah, just went on the water and it's still alive. It's still alive. Let's do some more tests. I'm gonna let the kids do a kid-proof test and see how it goes. Alright, stay tuned.
Welcome to the Viva Guy! We are going to do the kid-proof test on the Osmo Action. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Alright, so my first impression of this device, the DJI Osmo Action, is I love it. Fantastic, brilliant. great design, technology is up there, and it is well in par with the GoPro Hero 7 and 8. Yes, the quality might not be as good as the GoPro Hero 8, but usability, functionality of this device and design, I would buy this any day over the GoPro Hero 8. Battery life is a big one. The battery life isn't great, but I do like the fact that you can open the compartment door at the side, and while recording, not under the water, while recording an event or anything like that, you can plug in a battery bank into the USB-C port and get constant power without draining your battery. And at the same time, your battery will be recharging while you are recording. I think that is a fantastic, great, and useful tool from this device right here. The other one is the fact that you can change out your filters. All right, this easily comes off, as you can see here, filter, and you can put on different type of ND filters so that you can get lower in your shutter speed and get some cinematic shots. I use it in the fridge, I use it on the stove next to fire. It withstands heat, it withstands cold, and most importantly, with the new version, well, the replacement that I got after the water damage, it works in the water really fine. The kids play with it. We did the kid-proof test. It's durable, the quality is great. I tried out the slow motion. Slow motion is fine. It crops in a lot so that the quality isn't that great, but it's useful if you're looking for something cool to look at. Slow motion shot. I would recommend shooting in 60 frames at 4K and just slowing it down in Davinci Resolve, and maybe adding some extra stuff to make it smoother. I'm going to be using this for my vlogs a lot because of the front facing screen. I absolutely love the front facing screen. It's awesome. Alright, do I recommend this to anyone? Yes, I recommend it, and out of 10 I give the DJI Osmo Action a 8.5. Okay, and that has been the review of the DJI Osmo Action. I had a blast doing this review for you guys. Okay, I highly recommend this device. For more videos like this, remember to like, subscribe, comment, and ring the notification bell, okay, so that you can get immediate notifications of my latest uploads. I got more videos coming your way, more action, more adventure right here on DAT VIVA GUY. Until next time, bye bye. Okay, that's it, guys.